GIIKARO kia umuthi kiria gitabanirio gatagati-ini ka atongoria kuma ciama-ini itiganite cia arigitani na atongoria a makanitha ni gia gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria makoretwo magumeire sekta ya urigitani. Ikana na atongoria kiama-ini gia KMPDU, clinical officers hamwe na ataramu a laboratory ni marikitie kwiyaria kuri atongoria a makanitha aria ni hamwe na muthikabu munene Jackson Sapit makiuga mari na mwihoko mugambo wa atongoria aya ni ugukorwo ukiguika kuri thirikari.
We want them to pray to soften the stance and the hearts of the government, because the issue of internship is quite critical to us. I don't think it's something that's worth leaving for the courts.
Arigitani makoretwo maigite mirothi ihinda-ini ria thiku 40 mugomo wa clinical officers umuthi naguo kingira thiku ya 22 atongoria ya makihinyiriria thirikari gwitikira gukinyaniria ngirimiti iria maiguithanirie niguo arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi matige guthinika.
Uhoro uyu wa kiguo ni ugukorwo kirehe murimo wa korera tondu ni kawaida ni tui ria kwena kiguo ta giki ibuatagwo ni murimo wa korera na tutingienda tukinye hau tutacokete wira-ini tondu andu aitu ni megukorwo makiumira. No thirikari niyo thina ni tondu ni maregete guka metha-ini ona thutha wa igoti kuruta oda.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene kiama-ini gia KMPDU Ndagitari Davjiatera, ona thengia wa gukorwo magitabania cikaro cia mahinda kwa mahinda na ministry ngurani gutikoretwo na umithio, riu makienda thirikari gwitikira kumathikiriria na kunina ndugamano iria ihandite.
We are not being disorderly by being on strike. In any case, it's a constitutional provision to agitate for our rights. It is the rights of Kenyans too to get the health services whenever they need them and the manner they need them. But it cannot happen, especially for people who are mentally not stable by virtue of the disturbing employer. And that is what we want.
Hamwe noguo arigitani agikiro gia clinical officers ni matanyitwo gutabania mururungano wa thayo muthi wa rucio. Muikariri giti kiama-ini giki Peterson wa Cira akiuga matikunoga guthingata thirikari ikinyanirie ciraniro iria yeriria arigitani.
Ithui tutire na thina na twina wendo muno wa gucoka tukorwo tukiona andu aitu tondu andu aitu ni maromira.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.